wedding plans going?
Not good. Javier and I have been fighting all week about which Sav to serve at the wedding. He's got his eye on this $42 bottle of St. Clair Pioneer Blanc, but at $42 a bottle, I can't see it fitting into our budget.
God, I told you from day dot that man was no good with money.
I found a great Nautilus Sav, $21 a bottle. We all know Cindy and the girls won't be able to tell the difference. Her wine ethos is ABCD, for God's sake.
ABCD?
Anything but Chardonnay, darling.
Oh, that's right. I've got an old friend from stats class. She used to actually show up to the lectures. Why don't I give her a call? She'll know what to do.
I can count on you. Hello?
Hey, Brunello. Listen, I'm really sorry about what happened at uni. I hope we can just put it all behind us. I've got a really huge favor to ask you.
Okay, what do you need?
We want to do a stats test to work out if we can tell the difference between two Marlboro Savs, and we only have 3 people for the panel.
You should perform a duo-trio test to see if there is a difference between the two Marlboro Sauvignon Blancs. If you have 3 panelists, you will need to do 6 replicates for a total of 18 assessments. This will give you an alpha risk of 5% and a beta risk of 30%. This means that there is only a 5% risk of rejecting the null hypothesis when it is true, and a 30% risk of accepting the null hypothesis when it is false. A high beta is expected for small panel sizes, and since you're looking for difference between your samples, an alpha risk is the most important.
Panel.
If at least 13 of those assessments are answered correctly, you will have to accept the null hypothesis that the wines are different. If you get fewer correct assessments, you can reject the null hypothesis and the wines are not significantly different. I recommend using the constant reference technique due to the limited amount of sample that you have. Don't forget to use random 3-digit codes and do a dry run of the procedure with your panel. Good luck, Hannah!
Alright, hello everyone. Welcome to our duo trio panel test today. Thank you all for coming and for not wearing any heavy perfumes and also not brushing your teeth. That's great. Now, just before we begin, can we all decide on a procedure that we're all going to follow so we all have the same technique when we're tasting? Does anyone have any ideas?
I think we should sniff the wine, each wine 3 to 4 times before we taste it.
And I think we should cap the wines between each smell to preserve the aroma.
That's a good idea.
Yeah.
I think we should drink water in between each sample so you can have a clear palate.
No, that's a great idea. Well done, guys. Now, can I just go over the layout with you all so we know what we're doing? As you can see, you've got 3 wine glasses in front of you, and the one on the left is our reference sample, and then the other 2 are the test samples. One of them is the same as the reference, and the other one is different. Now, it's your job to find out which one is different. And as you can see, you're given a test sheet with the coded samples on there, the reference on the left again, and your job is just to circle the one that's different. And then we'll hand it in, we'll tabulate all the data. Alright, good luck. Alright, thank you everyone. You're all free to go. Well done. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, Brunetto, thank goodness. I need your help. I have no idea what any of these numbers mean. Okay, thanks.
Yeah, so after analyzing the data, there were only 12 correct answers, which means we can reject the null hypothesis that the wines are different. So you can select either one and no one will be able to tell the difference.
Alright.
Hey guys, don't forget the sources of bias. So the sources of bias are the fact that guessing was an option means that accuracy is not at 100%.
If the glasses are different sizes, we may automatically think that the wines themselves are different.
The amount of wine actually poured may not have been exactly equal for all glasses.
Some glasses might have been dirty. Contamination.
You're still here. That's excellent. Oh, I've got great news. Cindy and the girls will be none the wiser. I was able to reject the null hypothesis, which means there's no perceivable difference between the two wines.
Great. Looks like I'll be going to Bora Bora after all.